Hello everyone, this is Nikita Kodipaka, rule number 20EE10032. Today, in the Proteus circuit simulation software, I have used the Arduino DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor to simulate the system with the given conditions and blink the LED connected to pin 13 accordingly. As a part of this, I have given the code. Here we can see the code. So it mentions the conditions, four conditions given as a part of the question. The temperature, the theme, the temperature, and H is relative humidity in percentage, respectively. So if the temperature is less than or equal to 15 and relative humidity is less than 25%, this is the conditions in which of LED blinking and it gets off again, time in which gets off again. Here the time is mentioned in milliseconds. So they are 1 and 0.5 seconds respectively. 13 is the IO13 output as a pin output which connect to the output. The high is the high voltage and low is the low voltage. So I've given code for all the four situations given, and I've built and compiled it. The compilation was successful. Now let's see the schematic capture of this situation. So first I've set the conditions of temperature in degree Celsius and relative humidity. Here we can see both of them. Temperature is less than 15. I've selected 14.3 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is less than 25%. For this, I'm going to run simulation. As we can see, this is LED and there's a reset option. This is connected to the output, that is IO13. So now let me run this. Yeah, after running, so as we can see, it once for 1 second it gets blinked, and for the other 0.5 seconds it gets off. Here there may be a delay of 0.25 seconds or 250 milliseconds because as is not an ideal sensor, so there may be some delay as shown. Going to the second condition. So as a part of the second condition, the temperature is less than or equal to 15 and that is 14.3. The relative humidity greater than 60%. I've taken 60.6% relative humidity and I've run simulation. Yeah, so we can see here again the LED will glow. The LED glows for 0.5 seconds and gets off for 1 second respectively. So as we can see, the LED as we can see, the LED is glowing here for 0.5 seconds and gets off for 1 second respectively, and again 0.25 seconds of delays may be observed. So as mentioned in third condition, now relative humidity is less than 25% and the temperature in degree Celsius is greater than 28 degrees Celsius. The LED is blinking here after running, and it follows the condition that it blinks for 1 second and gets off for 1 second. This is the fourth condition mentioned, that is relative humidity is greater than 60% and the temperature is greater than 28 degrees Celsius. As we can see here, after running, the LED glows for 0.5 seconds and it gets off for 1.5 seconds. So we can see both the on off time. Yeah, the LED is glowing here only for 0.5 seconds. So this in this way the schematic capture is shown. Yeah. So now the second task is in the Proteus software. Now Arduino RGB common cathode LED I'm using to generate a continuous wave at a digital pin 13 as per the given instructions. And again I've given the code. As we can see, there's a three conditions the code is given. So this 13 pin number 13 is the output. I've built the code and as we can see it's compiled successfully. After the compilation, let me show the schematic capture. So in this, we can see the Arduino board here. Now I have connected this D to the terminal to the IO13 output, so that now we can see the waveform through the digital oscilloscope. For this, first we have to run simulation. So let us run the simulation. Yeah, now it's running. Let us look at the digital oscilloscope. Select this. So yeah, as we can see, this green wave is this shows this is according to the code which is given. This is a wave which is created. Now this channel D represents this green wave, and if I off, this disappears. So switching to DC, I can see the wave. This these represents. I've set this at the 1 volt. This is a position. I can change the wave position, the green wave position, by shifting this. So when I keep it at 180, the position is fixed. So yeah, in this manner I've created this wave. So yeah, this is a small demonstration which was a digital oscilloscope. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.